Hi, I'm Chef Codey, and today we're making hamburgers on the grill. We already have our patties made with salt and pepper, and our grill is heating up.
Very delicious.
First thing we're gonna do is clean the grill so we can get all the germs off the grill. And my assistant is going to put the patties on the grill for me. We need to turn the heat down so they will burn. Make sure you have a clean plate to put your hamburgers on. Make sure to spread these hamburgers when they cook on the grill. You might want to flip your hamburgers so they don't burn. My assistant flipped my hamburgers for me, and then now we're to spread them down. Again. And now we have to let them cook. Remember to water your meat because it might stay tender. The burgers are done, and now we're to put them on our clean plate. My assistant took them off the grill, and now we are done. A good chef always tastes his food before he gives it to other people to make it look good. It's good. Enjoy!